po si Marian Rivera at abangan nyo dahil cover ako sa Women's Health sa January. Enjoy kasi itong mga nakatrabaho ko dito ay nakatrabaho ko na. So gamay na nila kung paano ako magtrabaho. So si Jay ay Marimar pa lang, patog ko na yan. Tapos lahat naman dito halos nakatrabaho ko na. Kaya hindi naging mahirap. Parang kasaya lang, parang naglalaro lang.
Hi, I'm Anna, managing editor of Women's Health. It was a very easy photo shoot that we had today because Jay and Marian nga, they already have a history of working together, so they know what it's like to collaborate and team up. So we didn't have any difficulties, we didn't have a hard time working with Jay either.
Hi, I'm Jay Tablante and I'm here shooting Marian Rivera for the cover of Women's Health for 2013, January. The treatment for this shoot is a bit different compared to the last times I've worked with her, no? Kasi most of the time po indoors kami. So ngayon naman, may gusto ng Women's Health, medyo outdoors. So nandito tayo sa Nuvali, shooting her in a motorbike o naglalakad siya. Something that's very casual at saka very light and airy ang itsura niya.
Hey, I'm Cleo. I'm the art director for Women's Health magazine. With Marian, nako, she's so fun. Madali siyang katrabaho, mabilis kausap. And she actually art directs herself. Alam niya mga angulo niya. Well, wala ngang angulo eh. Lahat perfect. She's really perfect. And right term for her is babaeng Photoshop.
Well, for our Jan-Feb issue, the theme is your fittest year yet. So all of our readers can expect a lot of useful tips that they can use towards that goal of achieving their best body and their fittest year. It'll also be packed with tips and information on how they can live their best life starting 2013. So we have fashion stories, beauty stories, that and also life skill stories, even stories on getting back on the financial track that will really help our readers start the new year right.
Sa mga sumubaybay, sumilip at tumingin dito sa behind the scenes namin, salamat po sa inyo. Sana po huwag niyo kalimutang kumuha ng kopya dahil sa January ako ang issue. May kakaibang Marian Rivera sa cover na ito.